What would you do if you were in a car accident and the other driver has no insurance? Imagine being in Jane's shoes, a diligent record keeper, who always made sure she had her insurance in place. One random Tuesday afternoon, she found herself in a car accident. The impact, the screech of tires, the sudden burst of adrenaline, a scene she'd only seen in movies, now a reality. As the dust settled, Jane and the other driver emerged unscathed, physically at least. But there was another shock headed Jane's way. The other driver, a young man barely out of his teens, confessed he had no insurance. Jane's meticulous nature had prepared her for many life's contingencies, but this wasn't one of them. She was left standing amidst shattered glass and a crumpled car, her mind racing with questions and uncertainty. Jane was faced with a predicament she never thought she'd encounter: an accident with an uninsured driver. Caught off guard and feeling a whirlwind of emotions, Jane knew she needed to stay calm and think clearly. In the aftermath of the accident, Jane took several important steps. First and foremost, she called the police. Their report would be essential for her insurance claim, providing an unbiased account of the incident. Even in minor accidents, a police report can make the difference between a smooth claim process and a complicated one, especially when the other driver is uninsured. Next, Jane turned her attention to documenting the accident. She snapped photos of the damage to both vehicles, their positions on the road, and any other relevant details like traffic signs or road conditions. In the world of insurance claims, it's often the case that the more evidence you have, the better. Jane knew that her photos would serve as crucial pieces of evidence if the uninsured driver disputed the facts of the accident. Jane also gathered witness statements. These can be invaluable in painting a clearer picture of the incident. She approached a couple of bystanders who had seen the accident unfold, and they agreed to provide statements. The perspectives of impartial witnesses can bring clarity to a situation where two drivers may have conflicting accounts. Finally, Jane contacted her insurance company. It's important to report an accident to your insurer as soon as possible, even if the other driver has no insurance. Jane provided them with all the information she had gathered, including the police report, her photos, and the witness statements. She also informed them that the other driver was uninsured, a critical detail that would shape how her claim was handled. Throughout this process, Jane remained calm and methodical. She understood that each step she took was not only important, but essential in dealing with an uninsured driver. By gathering as much information as possible, she was preparing herself for any challenges that might arise in settling her claim. Jane's methodical approach to the situation was key in ensuring she had all the necessary information to deal with the uninsured driver. Jane's experience is a lesson for all insurance holders. It's a stark reminder of how quickly an ordinary day can take an unexpected turn. The key points we've discussed in this video underscore the importance of maintaining composure amidst the chaos. When faced with an accident, particularly one involving an uninsured driver, remember to document the incident meticulously. Photographs, videos, and detailed notes can go a long way in helping you make your case. Don't forget to gather witness statements, if possible. These can often provide an impartial perspective on the incident, strengthening your position. Promptly contacting your insurance company is also crucial. The sooner they're involved, the sooner they can start working on your claim. One of the most valuable lessons from Jane's story is the importance of having uninsured motorist coverage included in your policy. It's an added layer of protection that can make a significant difference when the other driver lacks insurance. While we can't predict every turn on the road of life, we can certainly prepare ourselves for the unexpected. Remember, it's not just about having insurance, but knowing how to navigate when others don't.